here, Lois Lane, coming to you live from the annual pie eating contest here at Fabulous Sweet Justice. Let's meet the eaters. Everybody's favorite sweet slinger, Barry Allen.
Oh, thanks, guys.
Next up, our very own star athlete, Doris Zool. Last but not least, Diana Prince.
It is my solemn vow that I shall consume as many pies as...
Diana Prince, we don't have the budget for speeches.
Very well. Guide me, sweet Hestia, to eternal glory.
Woohoo! Go Diana! And now, let's take a peep at that pie. Pumpkin pie, everybody's favorite. All right, snakes, get rattling. Ready? Steady. Go! Holy moly, Alan's going flat out. Is he even chewing those pies? Zool's eating pace. And Prince is moving about as fast as a square boulder. Hey, Prince, try using your mouth. Woohoo! You can do it, Diana!
This flavor, it tastes like...
Victory! And it looks like Zool is slowing down. Zool's down for the count at 94 pies. It's down to Prince and Woohoo! Go, Diana! You got this, girl! Oh, and leaving his seat is an automatic disqualification for Alan. Diana Prince comes from nowhere to pick up the post. Prince, hey, Prince.
Diana, stop!
Well, that'll about sew it up here at Sweet Justice. This is Lois Lane signing off. Hope you enjoy the contest as much as